How you doing? You pretty. What's your name?
I'm Zafira. What's your name?
My name Nair.
Okay, nice to meet you.
You as well. My bad for walking up on you. You know
It's
what I'm saying?
okay, yeah.
I just like what I see, so I just figure I
Fluttering a
speak.
little.
You know, I just, like I said, I just like what I see, so I figure I speak. That's all.
Okay.
I like the little blue Lululemon.
Thank you,
Right?
thank you.
Yeah, you look amazing.
I like your little fit too. It's calm.
Yeah, calm little day. You know, calm day for me.
Up to today's day.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'm into fashion a lot, so
Okay.
I'll put something
so
together.
you're a little fashionista.
You can say something like that, you know. But where you from, though?
I'm from Florida. What about you?
Oh, I'm from Ohio, Cincinnati.
Ohio.
But I've been in Houston for like 6 years now.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, how long you been in Houston?
Not long. I say a couple months.
A couple months?
Least 3
okay.
months.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Well, welcome to Houston.
I'm from here, but I moved to Florida a long time ago. It's like
Oh, so you been in Florida though? You was born here,
Yeah.
and then you moved to Florida.
Yeah,
and
like
then you
years.
and you just basically just made it back to Houston.
Yeah.
Oh,
so,
okay.
Yeah.
So
Right now I'm kind of just out on the walk, enjoying the scenery.
Yeah, for sure. It do feel good outside.
Yeah.
You know, but like it's about to rain. I see like a little dark cloud.
Oh yeah.
You know,
for
coming.
Sure.
So you don't want to, get
Better
caught in
hurry
that.
up.
Yeah. So you stay around here?
Yeah. I actually stay near River Oak.
Oh, okay. For sure.
Okay. What about you?
Yeah. I stay close by as well.
Oh,
You know what I'm
okay.
saying? Maybe
What
we
you
like
doing
neighbors.
over here?
Oh, just chilling right now. Walk to the car.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's all. Walk to my car, then about to probably grab some meat.
Okay.
You know, yeah. I was trying to see, if you got more time to talk, we can talk inside the car. You know, I don't like people all in my business. There's a lot of cars
No,
driving
you're
by.
not gonna like kidnap me.
Oh no way. Do I like somebody like that? Like honestly, nah, you got nothing to worry about. You know what I'm saying? If not, we can talk outside. You know what I'm saying? I'll just give you an option.
You wouldn't just want to get in a stranger's car.
No, right. You're right about that. But you got nothing to worry about with me. You know, so I'm not a weirdo. Like that.
I don't think you're a weirdo, but you never know.
You're right. You never know. You got to be cautious at all times. You know what I'm saying? But nah, like I said, you got nothing to worry about with me. You can trust me. You know. You can trust me. You give me that look like you can't trust me or something.
I don't know.
You don't know? Let me get your number then. I don't want to pressure you or nothing like that. You single?
I am.
Yeah.
How about yourself?
Yeah, of course.
Of course.
Yeah, how long you been single?
For a while. I'm not a relationship kind of person.
For real?
Yeah.
I never heard of.
Here you go.
You put it in?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I ain't see it. My phone had locked. Oh, okay. You say your name was what again?
Zafiro?
Safiro.
Yeah, with a Z though.
Zafiro.
Yeah.
I gotta give you a nickname, I'm just put something real quick for right now. Yeah, I gotta find a nickname for you, But like, what you got planned for the rest of the day, though?
After this, I'm gonna freshen up and then get to work after.
Yeah, that's about it. Okay.
Yeah,
Maybe one of these days, right now I'm just about to probably head back to the crib. That's about it. Yeah, I was
same
chilling.
thing.
Yeah, same thing. But maybe I can, take you out one of these days.
Okay, yeah, for sure.
You with that?
What do you like to do?
I like to go out to eat. I like doing like a lot of outdoor activities. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, yeah, same.
Like ATV. I like doing Top Golf. Bowling.
Okay.
Maybe museums, something like that. Something cool.
Okay.
I'm not a club type of guy. You feel me?
Yeah, same here.
Yeah.
I'm not a going out. I like outdoor activity a lot.
Yeah. Like what? What's your favorite?
I'm really athletic. I like sports and all that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So like pickleball and stuff like that.
Yeah, well, mainly soccer. I would
Soccer.
say soccer.
Oh, okay. I played soccer.
Go out and play soccer, pick up.
Yeah, I had played soccer. I had played soccer with my stepdad when I was a little younger. So I'm kind of a little rusty in it. Maybe you could teach me something.
I mean, I'm rusty myself.
Yeah.
I haven't.
So how long did you play soccer for?
I played soccer throughout all of high school, and then after that, I kind of just fell back because I injured my knee.
Whoa.
Yeah.
How you do that?
It's really dumb. It was raining and like my knee kind of just went inward kind of thing.
It happened out of nowhere. It just went in.
I slipped while kicking the ball. I said, it's dumb. I slipped while.
Nah, I broke my arm. When I broke my arm, it was dumb as heck too. So I was skating and playing around and fell on a freaking brick, a center block basically. Yeah, so I was younger though. I was like 11 years old when that happened. So it was weird and goofy how that happened. I'm like, oh, how did shit even happen? I just got up, my arm was broke.
Yeah, I know. Telling people like I slipped while playing soccer. Like how you slip while playing soccer.
Yeah, I mean you could slip. The grass get it gets rainy, slippery. Turf as well. If it rains, it can get slippery. You know what I'm saying? So it could be humid, it could be slippery. So that's probably what happened. But okay. So you say you sing. So what you do for work?
Right now I'm just in school and I'm also doing bottle service.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. So how you looking it around? Like I know your schedule be kind of like tied up, right?
Yeah.
So how you gonna make time for me?
We gotta see.
You gotta see.
You just never know.
Okay.
I'm really a dedicated person.
No, I'm saying.
So, you know, with my timing and everything, if I dedicate time to you, like,
same.
I'm really like.
I really value my time a lot, so.
Yeah.
Same
I'm
thing.
precious about my timing for sure.
As you should. So we're the same deal. We on the same page right now. So you guys
but
let
if
me know.
I see you're consistent, I'll for sure. You know.
Consistent with like texting you and calling you.
Yeah.
So like that.
I'm not into playing games around here.
You don't play games?
Program.
Nah, same with me. It's super strict.
Okay.
You know. So we gotta see though. I feel like you just talking though. They speeding. You gotta be careful out here, man. See, that's what I'm saying. You ain't want to. It's just too much going on. People's driving fast, and you know.
I'm scared someone gonna come crash into us.
Oh yeah, you think it too crazy?
Okay, listen. I watched too much Final Destination.
Yeah.
You never know.
You watched the last one?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah,
that one was crazy.
Yeah.
Like the ending.
That shit was crazy. Yeah, the train. I thought everything was fine, and then boom. It was a crazy plot twist with that one. But I ain't gonna hold you too long though. I got your number, so
for sure.
I just see you a message and just let me know what your schedule looks like, and we set something up.
Yeah,
all right?
It's nice meeting you.
You too.
For sure.
All right. So enjoy the rest of your day. All right.
You too.
All right. I respect it though, she ain't want to get in the transit car, So I respect that she was really, standing on it as well, so that saves a lot. Y'all comment below though, let me know how y'all feel about her. What type of value I think she was giving. And maybe I can do another video with her, like follow up, link up with her, and we just, do something. But like this video right now, subscribe, come turn that bell, follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, and Patreon, and I'm gonna see you guys next video, man. I'm out. Peace.